What's going on, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy FatKat, of course, bringing you another one, man. Special day today, man. So today we got this Shelby Mustang GT500, of course, as you guys know, man. Super Snake. This is Jeff Schofield's, man. We're gonna bring him in a little bit, but first let me go do a couple beauty shots and all that good stuff. You guys just seen it rolling. You see how nasty it sounds and everything else. It's crazy, man. So let me do a couple beauty shots, man, a couple B-rolls and all that good stuff. You guys know how I do. And then after that, we'll bring in Mr. Schofield and then, you know, talk about the car a little bit. So let's go. So we have Jeff Schofield here, man. Check him out on IG at Schofield07, right? Yeah, Schofield 07, man. This guy's pretty much IG famous. Yeah, how many you got on IG?
Man, 160
something like that. So over 100,000, 100 and mid hundreds. So anyway, man. So obviously, so he has a lot of toys and everything else. This is one of the, is this your main toy, you would call it?
No, this is my baby.
This is your baby.
Main toy, but we'll call it the baby.
Okay. So again, man. So again, Jeff Schofield. By the way, you guys see Christine and everything else, and his kids and well, his kids, his son who has the GT350, and then are you recording me? Taking a picture? Then we got Tori the cat. You guys know over there as well, and all that good stuff, man. So hopefully you guys don't hear too much road noise in the background because we are next to a road here close to where I live at. But anyway. Real quick, so let's talk about what we got going on in the outside first, and then we'll get to the meat and potatoes, obviously.
Yeah, just a quick rundown. It's 14 GT500. We did some hydro dip on some of the plastics, some carbon fiber, depending on what was available when we did it.
Right.
Did the new hood here. I forget who makes it, but the hood turned out really good. To keep
let's kind of walk around the cars we're talking about, so we know what we're talking about.
Of course, the weld racing wheels, front and back.
What kind of hood is this?
I can't think of their name, to be honest with you. So it's all carbon fiber, but true in there, air takes, keep the intake temps down.
Gotcha. So it's actual functional.
Yes, sir.
And everything else.
Full functional. Aerospace brakes, front and rear. Lighten the car up a little bit. Great stopping power.
Okay. And these wheels?
Yep. Of course, with the weld racing wheels on the front and back.
Nice.
Bead locks on the back.
These, of course, these are sticky Mickeys.
Yes, sir. Full BMR suspension.
Full BMR suspension. Whew. Okay.
Other than that, exterior is pretty stock. We didn't change a whole lot. No body kits, none of that goofy stuff.
Bead lock in the back, you said?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, look at that. So these are what, 17-inch wheels?
No, the 15s.
15s.
Yeah, 15 by 10 and a half.
Man. 275, 50, 60s on the back. Man. Stick pretty good? I mean, obviously everybody knows.
Once you get them hot, yeah, not bad. That's the tire we had to run an MRA when I ran it down there a few years back.
Okay.
Other than that, I said a little bit of carbon fiber, a little hydro dip, everything else in the exterior. I'd say I call it a sleeper, but you can't be quiet.
It can't be quiet. So speaking of that, that's a good segue. So what do we have for exhaust then? Because this thing sounds amazing.
2-inch American race headers, 3-inch straight all the way back with MagnaFlow competition exhaust in the back.
Wow. This thing sounds like a complete animal, man.
She's a little loud.
Just a little
Got
bit.
a lot to do with the motor build on it, so.
Man. So other than that, it's pretty much it as far as the outside. Just keep it nice and clean.
That's it.
And everything else. Actually, carbon fiber pieces down there. Side skirts, carbon fiber, and everything else, man. So this thing looks absolutely phenomenal, man. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get to the, actually, well, yeah, let's go ahead and get to the meat potatoes. This is the good stuff here.
To start on the bottom end, we got a MPR fully built motor, 425 stroker, Darton sleeves. It's we did the oversized timing changing gears on it, and then so basically everything in the motor is completely changed built. So the only thing stock is the block. Then of course on the top we have the 4.7 Kenny Bell, which is the biggest blower they make for the for this application. Then we did 4 Innovations fuel pump system with return. That pretty much sums her up. And the last time on the dyno, she made 1252 at the rear tire.
1252 at the rear.
Tuned by Palm Beach Dyno.
Palm Beach Dyno. Jesus Christ, man. Is it scary to drive?
Nah, she's a blast. She's not real street worthy too much anymore, but she's fun.
Man, this thing looks and sounds amazing. I mean, you could just, like when you drop by this thing, it's like you just know that there's something serious going on with this car, man. 1252 to the tire. You plan on doing anything else to it, or is she pretty much done?
She's pretty much done, because I mean, I'm not much of a straight rail guy, so I build it just mark it off the bucket list.
Right.
Have some fun with it now, enjoy it, take it to car shows, do little burnouts here and there. We went to Mustang week with it a few years and had some fun with it and stuff. But it's just a toy, sits in the garage, have some fun with it weekend.
Nice, man. Anything done to the interior?
You know, the interior is pretty stock. Little 6-point roll cage, removable door bars, a little bit of hydro dip going on in there. Full 5-point racing harnesses on it. For track days, we do got to keep the intake temps cool. So that's there. But we got a full ice tank chest. It's all concealed in there.
Wow. And that
made it all custom where you didn't have to see anything.
Yeah, so that looks super clean. So that's a full ice chest. So explain exactly what that does.
What the ice chest does is takes the intercooler water that runs the blower, runs through the ice chest, cools it down, and runs it back. So it's a full circulation system. I think it's approximately 7 gallons, so we pack her full of ice and water at the track days, so you can get a good pass out of it, keep the intake temps down below 100, and get all the horsepower.
So as you make passes, it cools the motor down and everything else.
You can get one good pass out of it. On a decent day, you get one pass down the strip, come in, drain the water, pack it full of ice again, and do it again.
Do it again. So. Nice, man. Well, let's get down to the to where everybody wants to see, man. Let's hear this thing, and then let's take it for a ride.
All right. You guys can hear me. I am inside this monster now. Obviously Jeff driving. Man, this thing feels like a roller coaster. Like literally it feels like I mean, we're just cruising, obviously we're still in the parking lot, and it feels like a straight up roller coaster just driving, man. Like, you know something big is about to happen once this thing
about 1,000 pounds of torque. How much torque does it have?
1,200.
So it's 1,200. Jesus Christ, man. That was surreal, man. That wasn't even like that wasn't even real. That's not even fair. That was crazy. Oh my God.
Don't do good on the street.
Oh my God. And you could tell you were spinning the whole way. Literally. Like it wasn't even like you could tell there was no traction. You were just spinning the entire way. And it was still like, God, you guys, if you've never been in a car like this, you need to find you somebody who has a car like this, because this never felt anything like this before in my life. This is crazy. Jesus Christ. Oh man. Oh shit. That is crazy, man.
She pulls good once you get the tires in.
I don't even know how you even. Oh man, you just heard all the sand kick up. We just pulled into like another little parking lot. It was like a bunch of like gravel, whatever. It kicked it, pulled it all in on sticky tires. Man, that was ridiculous, man. How do you drive? I could not drive this thing.
Makes it fun.
God. Oh my God, man, this is unbelievable. Woo.
Second gear, about 3,000.
Oh shit! God! That was second gear, about 3,000 RPMs, and we literally, like, oh my God, that was crazy, man.
You don't get the race on the street, it's only downside. You know, we gotta do a 70-mile-an-hour roll.
Oh yeah, because there's no way you can race this on the street at all.
And we do have the boost turned down a little bit right now. I put the bigger pulley on the blower just so, there's no sense of beating it to death on the street.
Right. God, so that's turned down a little bit. That doesn't make any sense at all.
The most boost we made there, and we was right at 20 pounds.
That was the most 20 pounds of boost.
Yeah, we made right at 20 pounds with that little pull there. So
Jesus Christ,
turned
man.
up, she does right at 31.
31.
Yes, sir. So
God.
she rocks pretty good.
He could literally charge money to ride in this thing. This is like Busch Gardens, Six Flags, whatever theme park you know of with the roller coaster. This is it right here. God, that was ridiculous, man.
Makes it more enjoyable to drive.
Oh my God, I could have had this in my garage every day, man. I'd be like, okay, I need to take that out again,
Right?
and then I'd be getting in all kind of trouble. Man, that was ridiculous. Woo. Oh my God, man. OMG. Oh my God, OMG. Whatever you want to say, Jesus Christ. Everybody up there, man, help me, man, because this thing right here is ridiculous, man. Super, super, super ridiculous. Like I said, the only way I could compare this thing is literally at a roller coaster at a theme park, man. It's crazy. 1,200 horsepower, 1,250 actually to the wheels, 1,200 horsepower, 1,200 pounds for the torque, man. I mean, come on. Crazy, man. Anyway, I appreciate Jeff for for coming out today and letting me do this. We were at a little Cars and Coffee earlier today, and then now we're we came out and do the feature, man. I'm glad. We were actually supposed to do this like a month or two ago, but we couldn't find the time. So appreciate him for taking out the time to do this today. Man, this thing is stupid, man. Stupid, ridiculous. I couldn't have this every day in my garage, because I would get in trouble every single day, man, because I want to go out there and pull this thing every single day, man. It's crazy. All you guys that don't like Mustangs and all that good stuff, I don't know why, man, because you can make, I mean, these cars are fun just like anything else. Mopars and Mustangs and whatever, man. These things are super, super fun, man. So, man, kudos to him for building this beautiful beast, this powerful machine. It's crazy, man. It's super, like, you guys need to experience something like this, man. Go out and find you somebody who has a car like this and see if they'll let you ride in it, man. It's doesn't make any sense. Anyway, man, that's it for me. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. I got a lot more features coming up for you guys, man. Got a lot. He has the AMG GTR, by the way. The ones, if you guys seen the green AMG GTR, that's his. So he has that as well. We'll probably see if we get, he just ordered a couple things for that car as well. So once he gets all that stuff done to it, we'll see if we can get a feature on that car as well, man. But anyway, for now, man, we got this beautiful beast. His son has the GT350, the red one that you've seen on my channel as well. So he's got a couple things coming for that car. And once he does that, then we'll we'll get a feature on that one as well, man. He got a brand new 2019 GT350R, by the way. It's an R, GT350R. So anyway, man, for this one, man, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. Got a lot of things coming up for you guys, man. Again, I'm gonna start posting again pretty much every single day, if not every other day. But I'm not gonna go 3 or 4 days again, man. I just feel like I need to do more, man. So I'll be posting about every day, or if not every other day at the least. So a lot more stuff to come, man. Again, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You guys know I'm your boy FatKat, and we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.